Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. We are here in Hershey, Pennsylvania at Hershey's Chocolate World. Let's go inside and check it out. As you step inside, it's loud, it's colorful, it's bursting with people excited about chocolate. And right away, you will see some of the attractions that you can buy tickets for. Just past that is the start of a huge gift shop that I'll show you more of in a minute. You'll find the tickets to plan your time at Hershey World at this ticket counter located inside, kind of in the middle of everything. You can buy tickets individually if you only want to do one or two things. But if you want the full experience, you can buy an adventure package and save quite a bit of money. You can even add a meal for $10. If waiting in line isn't your thing, just turn yourself around and you'll find these ticket kiosks where you can buy your tickets and print them off yourself. Super easy. Create your own candy bar is super cool. You get to choose your own ingredients and design your own wrapper too. So space is limited for this experience. So either book your tickets online or book your time as soon as you get there. It's $26.95 per person, and everyone who enters this attraction has to buy a ticket. You can't just go along to watch someone else do it. Except for kids under 2. They're free if they're not making a candy bar. This attraction takes about 45 minutes, and as you can see, it's very popular. The bake shop blew my mind. Everything looks fantastically delicious and decadent.
All right, we're gonna do a s'more. I'll do one of the Reese's.
Have a look at these cookies. They look amazing, and they're only $1.50 each. Chocolate covered apples, they look good too, $6 each. And these beautiful hand dipped strawberries. Okay, you need to look at this. This is chocolate covered bacon with Reese's Pieces. Milk chocolate bacon. Unbelievable. And look at those pretzels. Yum! Okay, so look at this. S'mores mashup. So they're just putting all kinds of stuff together and putting it together with chocolate. It's just amazing. I know I'm getting a little too excited here. The 4D movie is a stunning digital animation with cool special effects. It runs for about 30 minutes, and it's also wheelchair accessible. Adults $7.95 and kids $6.95, and under 2 are free. Kids rates are for kids between the ages of 3 and 12. Okay, I promised I would show you the gift shop. They have everything here. They have things to make your own s'mores. They've got travel pillows. They've got magnets. Look at those Hershey's Kisses magnets. Cool balls and bags and okay, this was so cute, all this baby stuff. I had to buy something. I'll show you which one I bought. It's so hard to decide. Everything is so cute. This is the one I ended up buying for my little 2-month-old grandson. It's so cute, I can't wait for him to wear it. So there's like toys and things for your Christmas tree and all kinds of little trinkets and socks. Oh my gosh, I loved the socks. And there's towels and mugs and everything you could ever imagine. Cute little caps and baseball caps and all kinds of warm and cozy clothing. They've got a Lego type of box there, as well as footballs. Who doesn't need a Hershey's football? Kind of the vintage t-shirts in the back there. Some cozy sweatpants. You can lay on the couch and watch TV and eat your Hershey's Kisses. That looks like a cozy sweater. Coffee mugs. Keep your coffee warm. I thought that was pretty reasonably priced, actually, $12.95 for that insulated coffee mug. So as we look at it, it's just a huge place. Underwear, chocolate underwear. Well, chocolate images on underwear or candy images on underwear. Golf balls. Everybody needs a Hershey's golf ball. A glass container that looks like a Hershey's Kiss. Actually, they really did have some cute stuff here, and we did end up buying a couple of things. I like this one. You had me at Kisses. That's so cute. And okay, in a second I'm going to show you the Reese's Pieces stuff. We'll just finish looking at the Kisses stuff here. Okay, have a look at this. Everything Reese's, like your whole family can be dressed in orange. You'll always see them wherever they are. Wouldn't that be funny to everybody wear the same thing? Okay, here's some more baby stuff. So adorable. Totally love it. Okay, so let's have a quick look here at this food court. They seem to have a lot of everything. So there's pizza, and I got to show you this guy. He is done. He's done with Chocolate World. Okay, and turning around, back again, you can see there's all kinds of meal deals and things that you can purchase. They did have salads and things as well that looked really good. Because you're going to need a salad after all of that. And then carrying on over here, they have more hot foods over here. And of course we have to watch the s'mores video for a minute. More gift shop stuff. I mean, this is the world's biggest gift shop. It's just huge. It's not really the world's biggest gift shop, but it feels like it. And there's so much to look at. I mean, we must have spent just an hour looking at everything. So this is specifically the s'mores gift shop. So you can buy a s'mores kit, and you can buy the things to make a s'mores over the campfire, and s'mores candles and s'mores socks, anything you want that is s'mores related. They also have some kind of nicer gifts. So if you're wanting to buy something that's not super tacky, there's some beautiful chocolate boxes there. Just in case you haven't had enough sweet, decadent things, let's check out this ice cream stand. So there's ice cream here available, as well as like milkshakes and things. But over here, you can actually make your own s'mores, which just looked amazing. So you kind of pick your chocolate in there. They come off the toaster, and they would be delicious. So just a little close-up of all the ingredients that you can choose to make your own s'more. Just around the corner from that is a photo pickup in case you had a picture taken in one of the events. And you can also create these custom Hershey wrappers, which I thought was a really cool thing. So there's so much to do at this place. It's just incredible. Okay, now we're going to enter the largest candy store. They had so much stuff, and honestly, people had like shopping carts full of chocolate. It was quite funny. I didn't have a shopping cart, but I did have my armload full of chocolate stuff that I brought back for my family. So as you can see, they have a little bit of everything they make here. Mr. Goodbar and Reese's, and they even had some chips and stuff, which I'm not sure if I got video of, but yeah, the whole, even peanut butter. Amazing. Ooh, Dark Thins. I forgot to buy those. Twizzlers. Twizzlers galore. Everything you can imagine. The long ones, the short ones, everything. So it's just aisle after aisle after aisle of candy. And they had some good deals, like 5 for $20. That's what I ended up buying to bring home for people. So they've got big, humongous bags of Hershey's Kisses. And they have big, giant, individual Hershey's Kisses. They're huge. They're absolutely huge. And then they have the smaller Hershey's Kisses. And then they've got the big ones again. They're so pretty. I'm just giving you an extra look at them here. And then, of course, bags of different ones that you might not be able to get in your own hometown. And here we go again. The smaller bags have every different kind of Hershey's Kiss available. And just in case those bags weren't big enough, have a look at this. You can have a 5-pound tub of Twizzlers. Okay, if you want to choose your own candy, you can just go over here. You get a little container and you, open up the trough and it pours into your container. So it's actually priced by the size of the container, which you'll see right here. $19.95 for the big one. Pay and enjoy. All different kinds of stuff. Jolly Rancher and yeah. So this seemed to be quite a popular thing people were buying. Okay, so then you head over to the checkout here. And it looks like quite a long line, but it actually went really fast. They had a ton of cashiers. Here you can see the lines moving pretty quickly. And of course you can shop while you're in line. There's those socks again, just in case you forgot. So it's quite efficient. The parking is free for the first 3 hours, and that should be plenty of time to see Hershey's Chocolate World in Pennsylvania. Thank you so much for watching Tinagirl Travels. If my video helped you out today, I would appreciate it so much if you would click that thumbs up button and if you would subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels. We will see you next time.